everyone, today we would like to introduce to you how to open medium-sized secret box with 21 steps. This one has a lot of moves, so it's challenging, but it must be fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Slide this part to the right. Step 2. Move the whole end down. Step 3. Slide the lid. Step 4. Turn it around and slide this part to the left. Step 5. Push the whole end up. Step 6. Slide the bottom part this way. Step 7. Come back to this side and slide this part to the right again. Step 8. Push the whole end down again. Step 9. Slide the lid again. Step 10. Turn it around and slide this part to the left again. Step 11. Push the whole end up. Now we are halfway. Let's keep going. Step 12. Slide the bottom part again. Step 13. Come back to this side and slide this part back. Step 14. Push the whole end down. Step 15. Slide the lid again. Step 16. Turn it around and slide this part back. Step 17. Push the whole end up. Step 18. Slide the bottom part. Step 19. Come back to this side and slide this part to the right. Step 20. Push the whole end down. Step 21. Finally, slide the lid and it comes out all the way. Yeah, we did it! You can put anything inside. We will put hair accessories like this. When you close the box, please slide these parts in order. It comes with the instructions, so please be careful not to lose it. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.